Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, di kesempatan kali ini saya kedatangan project bodi kasar atau part motor yang kasar ya, Mio3 ya. Dan ini sudah saya epoksi dan sudah saya haluskan ya. Dan di sini saya menggunakan dengan dasaran warna abu-abu gelap ya. Nah, ini untuk part-part ini memang bawaannya sudah Kevlar ya. Bawaan pabrik memang sudah di Kevlar ya, dan itu sudah saya haluskan ya. Dan ini juga ya. Dan untuk tutorial cara untuk cara menghaluskan bodi kasar itu ada di video-video saya sebelumnya di bawah ya. Mungkin bagi kawan-kawan yang sudah lama gabung di channel ini sudah tahu ya bagaimana cara menghaluskan bodi kasar ini ya. Oke seluruh, kita masuk ke proses pencelupan saja ya, biar nggak lama durasi videonya ya.
Yeah. Unknown brain. Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. Yeah, I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you flying, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music. I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. Yeah, I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say
let's get it.
Started from the bottom, now I'm getting money. No time wasting, I ain't got no cardio.
Now that I'm the man, everybody hollering. Yeah, I want it all. Said I want it all.
I wake up early, stay up late, cause I wanna win. Gotta stay working, devil lurking, I can't let them in. I know my purpose, play my part and then it strip 'em in. Know my purpose, play my part and then it strip 'em in. And if you need strength, lean on me and we can win together. Sliding through the city, putting gas in the wind. The evil times bring out the worst, but I stay true to me. I love myself when all I see is a reflection of me. And the adversity and stress is like nothing to me. I know my greatness and I'm focused and made to compete. This for the people all around me that wake up and try. This for the faces that I see when I look to the sky. It's more than me just writing rhymes, I'm speaking my life. For all the battles I've been in and I left with a strike. Ahead of time by light years, will they ever catch up? Believe I put in the work and none of it is luck.
Win, yeah. That's the reason why I get it in, yeah. I've been grinding for them big checks, yeah, yeah. Money, power, and respect, yeah, I want it all. Said I want it all.
I live for the moment, like a game winning shot. The money, the power, in my pocket or not. I strive to do better, always making a goal. Not too many stay down, I'm not taking no pose. When life was a struggle, I learned to stand on my own and never try to fit into places that I don't belong. Now I know the difference in a boy and a man. The only joy in the sorrow is it's part of the plan. I could've made a new dream and never lived in my life. Instead I alter my vision and start defining my sight. Shift the focus to self, the eye that sits in the sea. Psychologically speaking, oh my bad, I go deep for my son and my daughter.